Welcome back. Today we're exploring the top 15 new IKEA products. Whether you're refreshing your home or need smart solutions, these picks are a must-see. Let's dive in. The SILÄNG storage pocket for bed is designed to help you keep your night essentials organized without cluttering your bedside table. It's crafted from durable polyester fabric that's easy to clean and has several compartments of varying sizes. This pocket fits snugly between the mattress and bed frame, ensuring stability. It's perfect for holding books, phones, tablets, and even a glass of water in its spacious pockets. Tip: if you're using this in a kid's bedroom, it's a great way to store bedtime storybooks and prevent electronics from falling off the bed overnight. It's also an excellent solution for dorm rooms or smaller bedrooms where space is limited. The JÄRRESTAD Pouffe offers a blend of style and functionality. With a sturdy yet comfortable cushion top, it works as both a footrest and an extra seat. Underneath, you'll find a hidden storage compartment that's perfect for storing blankets, magazines, or small toys, keeping your living space tidy. Upholstered in a soft, textured fabric that is easy to match with most living room styles, the JÄRRESTAD adds warmth to any space. Tip: place a tray on top of the Pouffe, and it can double as a small coffee table in tight spaces. It's also handy in entryways for storing shoes or accessories. The SILÄNG storage pocket for armrests transforms your sofa or armchair into an organizational hub, especially useful for smaller living rooms where table space is limited. Designed with multiple compartments, this durable fabric pocket can hold remotes, tablets, glasses, and even snacks. Its slip-on design fits securely over the armrest without damaging the fabric or leather. Tip: you can also use it in your home office over the arm of your desk chair to keep frequently used office supplies within reach. The ÅTERLÖGA Pouffe offers more than just a comfortable seat or footrest. Its removable lid reveals a hidden compartment for discreet storage. The round design adds a modern touch, and the neutral-toned fabric complements a variety of color schemes. Its compact size makes it ideal for small apartments or as extra seating in any room. Tip: use the interior storage to hide away clutter like children's toys, board games, or extra pillows. It's also a perfect solution for seasonal items such as holiday decor or scarves and gloves, keeping them out of sight but easily accessible when needed. The BRÄNNBOLL basket in gray and yellow combines fun and practicality with its bright color scheme and functional design. This basket is lightweight yet sturdy, ideal for organizing laundry, toys, or miscellaneous items around the house. The woven material is durable and its flexibility allows for easy transport with built-in handles. Tip: place this basket in a child's room or play area for toy storage that adds a pop of color while keeping the space tidy. Alternatively, use it in the laundry room or bathroom to hold towels or linens. It's durable enough for daily use and adds a cheerful touch to any room. The BRÄNNBOLL gaming station is purpose-built to streamline your gaming setup. It has dedicated compartments and cable management slots to help keep your console, controllers, and games organized. The sleek black design with subtle accents makes it a modern addition to any gaming room or living area. Tip: keep the cables tidy by using the built-in management system. This not only improves the look of your setup, but also protects your cables from damage. You can also use the top shelf to display collectibles or store snacks for long gaming sessions. The SKÖNABÄCK sleeper sofa is the ultimate multifunctional piece of furniture for small apartments or guest rooms. By day, it serves as a stylish, comfortable sofa, and by night, it easily transforms into a bed for overnight guests. The upholstery is soft yet durable, available in various neutral shades that suit most interiors. The pull-out bed mechanism is smooth and effortless, ensuring that setup is quick and stress-free. Tip: place storage boxes underneath the sofa to keep bedding close at hand, saving you from extra trips to the linen closet when you need to set up the bed. Consider using this sleeper sofa in an office or study for a flexible space that can serve multiple functions. The BRÄNNBOLL open storage unit on casters is an ideal solution for mobile storage in any room of the house. With a simple, modern design, it has open shelving to make it easy to grab what you need quickly. The unit's mobility makes it perfect for offices, gaming rooms, or even kitchens, allowing you to roll it wherever you need extra storage. Tip: use the top shelf as a charging station for devices or as an extra surface for a printer or gaming console. The lower shelves can hold books, baskets, or other items for easy access and organization. For gamers, this is perfect for storing consoles, controllers, and games. The VALTORP bench with storage is a chic, minimalist piece that serves both as a seating solution and a hidden storage option. The bench's lid opens up to reveal a spacious interior, perfect for storing shoes, bags, or seasonal items like hats and scarves. It features a sleek design with a comfortable cushion top, making it a great addition to entryways, bedrooms, or living rooms. Tip: add some decorative cushions to the top to enhance comfort and style. For the entryway, use the storage to neatly organize shoes or umbrellas. This bench can also be used at the foot of a bed, offering a convenient spot to sit while getting dressed. The LÅNESPELARE monitor stand is an ergonomic solution for creating a comfortable and organized workspace. By elevating your monitor to eye level, it helps improve posture, reducing strain on the neck and back. Made from sleek, durable material, it fits most desk setups and provides storage space underneath for keyboards, notebooks, or other accessories. Tip: use the storage compartment under the stand to declutter your desk by storing stationary external hard drives or chargers. You can also place small decorative items like a desk plant on top of the stand to personalize your workspace while keeping it functional. The BRÄNNBOLL gaming lounge chair is designed to offer maximum comfort during long gaming sessions. It features ergonomic support with padded armrests and a reclining function that allows you to adjust to your preferred seating angle. The chair's sleek design fits well in modern gaming setups, and the fabric is breathable to ensure comfort, even during intense gaming marathons. Tip: for optimal comfort, pair the chair with a footrest or small pouffe, allowing you to elevate your legs during extended gameplay. You can also use lumbar pillows for extra back support during long hours of sitting. The ROCKSJÖN Loveseat is a compact yet stylish seating solution that's perfect for small apartments, living rooms, or bedrooms. It's upholstered in a soft, durable fabric that's easy to maintain and comes in a range of colors to suit various interiors. The Loveseat's sleek design features slightly tapered arms and a supportive backrest, providing comfort without taking up too much space. Tip: use the Loveseat to create a cozy reading nook by pairing it with a floor lamp and side table. JUTTERSBO Utility Cart. The JUTTERSBO Utility Cart offers a versatile and mobile storage solution with its three-tiered design. Whether used in the kitchen, bathroom, or home office, this cart provides ample storage for organizing supplies, food items, or craft materials. The wheels make it easy to move the cart around, and its compact design allows it to fit in tight spaces. Tip: use it as a kitchen prep station by storing utensils, oils, and spices on the tiers. In a bathroom, it's great for organizing toiletries or towels. You can also use it as a movable bar cart for entertaining guests in the living room or dining area. BRÄNNBOLL Side Table on Casters. The BRÄNNBOLL Side Table on Casters is a practical and mobile piece that adds flexibility to any room. Its open shelving design is perfect for holding books, magazines, or small electronics, while the casters make it easy to move the table from room to room as needed. Tip: in a living room, it can double as a rolling coffee table, or you can place it next to a chair for convenient access to drinks, remotes, or reading material. In a bedroom, it works as a nightstand that can easily be repositioned when rearranging the room. GRÅFJÄLLET Dressing Table. The GRÅFJÄLLET dressing table brings both style and function to the bedroom or bathroom. It features a spacious tabletop for displaying makeup, perfumes, or accessories, while the built-in drawer provides hidden storage for personal items. The table's clean lines and minimalist design make it a perfect match for modern interiors. Tip: add a tabletop mirror with lights to transform this dressing table into a vanity. Keep baskets or trays on the surface to organize small items like jewelry or hair accessories, ensuring everything stays neat and easy to find. RESARÖ Mobile Drop Leaf Table with Storage. The RESARÖ Mobile Drop Leaf Table with Storage is an ingenious solution for small spaces or multifunctional rooms. The drop leaf design allows you to extend the table for dining, working, or crafting, then fold it down to save space when not in use. It also features built-in storage shelves for holding kitchen supplies, office tools, or hobby materials. Tip: use this table in a small kitchen or dining area and store placemats, utensils, or napkins in the shelves for quick access. And there you have it, folks. The top 15 IKEA new products for October 2024, perfect for upgrading your space, no matter your style. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe